Welcome to ChopChopChef. How are you today? Good. That's what I like to hear. Excellent. Now today I like to do with you a salmon brioche burger. Now there's your mind is ticking, you know, how it does a salmon brioche burger. Now my brioche salmon burger is with fresh Atlantic salmon, right? So mise en place is the most important thing here. So what we will do, we need a dip, a spread. So today I sort of nearly finished doing a tzatziki, which is a yogurt dip with cucumber, olive oil, garlic, mint. I put a little bit chive in there and a touch of salt, right? So that's the base. And then what I do next is we're doing a little bit of a small capsicum mixture, right? So I washed the capsicum already, and then we just make a little bit julienne out of this one. Easy done. The other side. We don't need too much for one burger, yeah. And what I do then is we're cutting this in, as I said, in very fine strips, including the eschalot, right? So eschalot is sort of a little sort of onion like that here, yeah. But you will see this one in a moment. Okay, so we have this one. So we're cutting fine, very fine julienne, as fine as you can. Yes, we put a little bit yellow in there. Why not, right? That. Nearly there, nearly there. That's actually more than enough. Okay, so we're putting that in a separate bowl. And now with the eschalot, right? We're not cutting small, we don't dice it, yeah? We cut it in these half rings, yeah? Again, now you can do it like this, very fine. That's plentiful, right? Obviously when we put it in here, so we want to make sure then this is nicely mixed or broken off the rings, yeah? So later on, when all our mise en place is ready, the camera cannot see this one, but in this bowl is a kind of a liquid, and this is my called sweet and sour dip. A dip, not a dressing, right? So it's simply just vinegar and sugar, right? Sugar is dissolved, and later on we take this one and so on. I will show you that in a moment. But let's clean this one up first here. Okay, make it all look pretty. Got this one sorted, this one sorted. Okay, what's next? Okay, we have our dip, we have our rocket lettuce or arugula, nicely washed. We're having our sweet and sour dip, a little bit of mixture. Watch that space. Okay, next we're coming over here. Yes, of course we need a brioche, right? Haha, funny. So we cut it nicely in half. What I do with the brioche, I always like now to put a little bit of olive oil on here. Yeah, not too much on both sides. Yeah, okay, looking good, looking good, looking good. Yeah, so this gives, of course, extra oomph to this whole thing. Yeah, so we have this one. Then we're having our fresh Atlantic salmon. Now with the salmon, obviously I just cut 2 nice medallions, right? All up is around 90 gram, and when you have a look, sort of they're fitting nicely. Then later on, when we pan fried it on this brioche roll. Okay, the salmon, we don't do too much to it. We just put a little bit of lemon juice on there. Yeah, lemon juice, ding ding ding, and then we have just a little bit of cracked pepper, not too much, salt. Other side. Same thing. Okay. You like my new toys? Yeah, very good, eh? Okay. All right. Now we take our brioche, our salmon, our olive oil, and coming to the stove. Okay. What we're doing here is we're cracking up our pan here, yeah, for pan frying our salmon. Yeah, this heats up in a minute. While this is heating up, we're coming over here where we grilling our brioche. Yeah, so I just put it one in here in my oven. Yeah, and so this should give a nice gold brown color. Okay, so that's the thing. We often have to keep an eye on it, not that this gets black. And I prefer to grill this brioche in an oven than in a toaster. Toaster, the oil runs down and eventually then it's all smokes. And yeah, it's not a way to do it. All right. Okay. So here we go. We just put a few drops of olive oil in here, not too much. That's done. We get it to a nice heat. Yes, already there. Beautiful. So a little bit more. I can feel it. Yeah, we just want to nearly what we call a shallow fry, not too much color. Yeah, but as you can see, this fresh salmon, what is it, 1 centimeter? Yeah, needs on each side not even a minute. Yeah, because we don't want to have it completely well done. I prefer to have a little bit of pinkish sort of line in the middle. Okay, alrighty. So we're putting our salmon in here. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we'll be patient. Yeah, so you can see on the sides here, right? So the heat penetrates through it, yeah? So you can see this nicely here, yeah? Beautiful, 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 yeah? Very good, very good. All right, we turn this one over. Yeah, sort of that's what I like to achieve, yeah? Leave the other 30 seconds sitting here. Does its trick. And when you want to the doneness of a steak or a salmon, you just press here a little bit. So this one feels very nice and soft still. Yeah. So we leave it a little bit longer till you sense it a little bit more firmer. But this is a trial and error. Yeah. So you get used to this one. This just practice makes perfect, right? Okay. And our brioche in the oven, is it black yet? Not yet, but it's coming good. So yeah. So I turn my salmon, turn the heat source completely off, and the brioche we're turning off as well. And watch the steam. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. So they're nice, golden brown, like we all look at this. Yeah, the olive oil, yeah, that's the extra thing to it. So we take this baby's out. Oh yes, beautiful. All right. Okay, that's what I told you before. It's all time management, mise en place, right? So everything is ready at the same time. Okay, now we're coming over here, and eventually we want to assemble it, right? Okay, so as we have done our tzatziki. Okay, that's the base, that's the top. Don't forget, we're putting tzatziki on here nicely, as well a little bit on the top. Spread it out. Okay, now with our arugula, right? The arugula can have as well a touch of salt, a little bit of cracked pepper, not too much, not too much, and a few drops of our olive oil. Yeah, I mean, if you have extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed lemon oil, yeah. So we have this one done. Okay, we mix this leaves nicely, and only on the base of our brioche, we're putting this arugula, yeah, or rocket. Okay, we got that one. Okay, so that's done. Next one, we're putting our salmon on, right? Beautiful, so beautiful. Like this, like that, yes, yeah. And now, very quickly, as we did our mise en place here, with our baby capsicum and eschalots, why I said here sweet and sour dip, there's a purpose for it. We just dip it in and dip it out. Yeah, that's all what we want. Yeah, and obviously we don't want to have too much liquid on there. And this one goes then on top of here. Okay, and this one goes on top of here. Magic, magic, ladies and gentlemen. And then, if you like, we're having two of my favorite spikies, right? And here we go. And look at this. Put this on the side. Put that one here. And a little bit more fanciness here. And ladies and gentlemen, that is my salmon brioche burger for you next time to impress your party. Alright, thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef.